Hello, today we will guide you through how to paper trade on Sierra Chart. Paper trading is a safe way to practice, test strategies, and get comfortable with the platform without risking real money. In the next couple of minutes, we'll enable simulation trading and open the tools you need to place and manage practice orders. Begin by opening the Sierra Chart desktop application on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace and charts. Once everything appears, look to the very top of the screen for the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, Chart, and Tools. Click the one labeled Trade. This is the control center for all trading actions and settings in Sierra Chart. From the Trade menu, select Trade Simulation Mode On. This is the feature that converts all of your orders into simulated ones, so nothing is routed to a live brokerage account. It's perfect for learning the platform, rehearsing execution, and validating ideas during different market conditions. The item works as a toggle, so clicking it turns simulation on or off. After you select it, make sure there is a check mark next to Trade Simulation Mode On in that same menu. The check indicates the mode is currently active. If you don't see the check, click the item again to enable it. When it's on, Sierra Chart treats all orders as practice fills, keeping real capital out of harm's way. This visual confirmation helps prevent accidental live orders, so it's worth double checking before you proceed. Now return your mouse to the top of the screen and open the Trade menu again. With simulation mode confirmed, you're ready to bring up the trading controls you'll use on your chart. Choose Open Trade Window. The trade window will appear either as a floating panel or docked alongside your chart, depending on your layout. This window is where you'll set order quantity, pick order types such as market or limit, and manage attached orders like stops and targets. You'll also see buttons to buy and sell, as well as tools like flatten and reverse, which are especially helpful for practicing position management. Take a moment to review the fields so you know where to adjust quantity, verify price, and view status information. Because you enabled simulation mode first, any orders placed from this window will be paper trades. That means you can practice entries, exits, and risk control directly from your chart with immediate, consequence-free feedback. That's it. With Sierra Chart open, simulation mode checked on, and the trade window visible, you're ready to paper trade confidently and build skill through repetition.